Hey all, it's Nikos here, and we have a trader of the week and we have a trade of the week. So I want to share with you both. Ladies first, Sandra from Germany sent me this chart, and it's the Australian dollar US dollar bounce short taken on M3 Renko Heikin Ashi combination. So that's our combination we use on lower settings to get in. So we have here this is showing a much bigger setting, like I think 12 or 24 points per box or candle, but the entry was taken on M3. So we have a double top, and then I don't know exactly what she did here because that's the only chart I got. So it was a short, a bounce short on the Renkos, and Sandra took the first lot out in this area. The second part very close to major support, and she has still a third lot running. And the question is, it's 320 points with the remaining lot, and that means the remaining lot alone is 3.4%, if I get it right, in profits, because the whole risk, the whole trade was 1.1%. I think that's she meant percent risk on a $1,700 account. So risking 1.1% to get in, taking incremental profits, and the last position alone is worth 3.4%. And now she wants to do what? She wants to know what to do with the remaining position. Should I leave it open or should I close? So I mean, what do you think? Should she close that trade or leave it running? My idea is I would leave it as long as the price creates lower lows on the charts. If we have our first high, let's say we have a bigger retracement, price is coming back to here, and then it's bouncing and it's creating the first higher low. Let's say we have a high and a higher low, and price does not want to move lower, then I would just close the position or hedge it and try to take a same long to take advantage of a bigger retracement on a higher setting using the Renko charts. And if price wants to move lower in the end, we can get rid of the longs and keep the short running. So both scenarios are good, either closing it after higher low if price is really moving up, or just hedging it. And the second thing is you just leave it and just trail the account protection or the stop over the EMA, at least the EMA 24, which is the yellow line. Okay, that would be like a classic management to protect our account. 1 second. Okay, so that's it. Well done, Sandra. And now we go to our trader of the week. We have Andre from Poland, and he has a lot of open positions or remaining positions on his account, and they're all in profit, which is really good. And I mean, it's not normal that we have only winning trades running, but if you catch a powerful trend and you have remaining positions running, of course, then it looks like this, especially when you split the positions into multiple parts. So well done for that. A great results, and it's always like really simple. You just try to focus on the main trend, on the big bounces, on major support and resistance areas. Look for details. How does the market react? Don't be too hasty, and when you get in, just place your account protection order at the, let's say, secure place, you know the rules, and let the trade breathe, let it run, and take only incremental profits. Keep a remaining position so you can long-term make profits and grow the account faster. Okay, yeah, that's it. Hope you like the video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a like, and also we are always waiting for your comments below. Share your thoughts, and if you have trades you want to share with us and you think they're qualified for the trade of the week or trade of the day, just send them over. Okay, see you soon, and bye for now.